Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Grade 4. So, in today's lecture number 2, from your chapter number 1, How Does a Computer Work? We'll learn about examples of working of a computer. How does a computer actually work? It has three major steps: input, process, and output. Input means to give in something to the computer, for example, instruction, information, data, anything you want to give it to the computer. The computer processes the information and gives the output. For example, we have 3 examples. Number 1 is input. You are provided ingredients for sandwich. For example, you want to make a sandwich. First of all, you'll get to have ingredients like bread, cucumber, tomato, cheese, cream. This is input. Then the process is cutting, chopping, making slices of bread and making them in order, putting them into a sandwich. This is process. First of all, you got the ingredients. Secondly, the process was making the sandwich. And third, the sandwich. The output result is a sandwich. So the process had 3 steps. First of all, getting the ingredients. Secondly, making the sandwich, cutting the ingredients, chopping, making bread slices, and the end with sandwiches we're seeing in front of us is the output. Number 2 example is of an ATM card. You have an ATM card, you put it into the machine, you get the notes. ATM card is input, ATM machine, the process is being done in it, and the output is money. Example number 3, oranges are input, you put them in the juicer, you make the juice, and the final product output is your juice. Then you have computer is also a machine that carries out some function. It also follows the 3 steps: input, process, and output. For example, if you want to add 3 numbers on your computer, then input, you'll put the 3 numbers into the computer, 2, 5, and 3, and you'll give the instruction add because you want to add them. The process is adding 3 numbers, which is done by computer. Then the output is number 10. 2, 5, and 3 is equal to number 10, and now the process is being done and you get the outcome, the output on your screen, which is the final result, the final product. So the input was the numbers, the process was adding them, and the output was the result, the final answer we get. Difference between man and computer. Man works slowly, computers work fast. Man can imagine and think, women cannot imagine or think. We have emotions, we have to think, we have mind, brain which works in thinking different stuff. But computers have a certain domain to work and they do not think. Gets tired and bored of doing the same work after some time. We get tired, we want change. For example, you don't want to go to school every day because the same routine you're following is boring. But computers have to do the same work again and again because they're designed in a way that they have to work. Cannot do different types of work at the same time. We can do either watch TV or we can either study. You cannot do both the things at the same time, and if you're doing it, you're not doing it properly. But computers can do different types of work at the same time. We can be wrong, computers are always accurate. We can remember limited things, but computer can remember a lot of things. It has a big memory and we have to store things in it, and they're not deleted unless we don't delete them. Your homework is do exercise A, B, C, F, G on book page number 9, 10, 11. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.